What's up, everybody? Jeremy Weiss here with Weiss Tech Hockey, and HockeyShot has just come out with a brand new off-ice training puck that is it's really good. I really like it a lot. This is called the HockeyShot Extreme Dryland puck, and it's going to be a good puck on any off-ice surface. But where this really shines is if you've got like your Dryland flooring tiles, synthetic ice panels, like I've got in the basement now, shooting pads, stuff like that. These pucks are going to be phenomenal. It's probably the best puck I've used on a synthetic ice surface. So this is really nice. I'm going to get some close-ups. I want to do some comparisons and stuff like that with this, but just to kind of give you the general specs, this puck is it's about the exact same size as a regulation 6-ounce puck. As far as size goes, it's an ounce lighter, and I usually make mention of this, but most of the top off-ice training pucks and balls, they usually go a little bit lighter to account for the friction. So when you're using it off the ice, there's going to be more friction, obviously, than using it on the ice. So they make it a little bit lighter. That accounts for the friction. By the time you get it on your Dryland surface, then it's going to be feeling a lot like a regulation puck. So let's go ahead. What I want to do is clip over, give you some close-ups, give you a little bit of a comparison on some of the other popular pucks that are out there, and then we'll show you a little bit of what it looks like in action. Alright, I'm going to give you a close-up as best I can here. So here's a close-up of the puck. This is what it looks like. And as you can see, it's got 12 of these little nubs that kind of stick out around. And what these do, it's pretty common sense, but it reduces the friction. So the less of the puck that is actually touching your surface, the better it's going to slide for you. And so these nubs help to do that. As you can see, the thickness is almost exactly that of a regulation puck. What they've done here, though, and this is kind of a nice little detail, is they've added this rubber edge around the entire edge of the puck. And so that means that when it's on your stick, it actually feels really similar to a regulation rubberized puck. Although they've got the better, slidable surface, the hard plastic that slides really nicely on the synthetic ice. So you've got kind of the best of both worlds. You've got the feel of the real puck, you've got the slidability of the harder plastic style pucks, and the overall feel of it, the overall product ends up feeling really, really similar to what a regulation puck would feel like on real ice. So beautiful product, really like it. Let's go ahead, and I want to show you a little bit of a comparison on what this looks like compared to Fly Puck and Green Biscuit. And those are also two very good pucks, but I just want to show you the slidability, if that's a real word, of what the three pucks look like compared to each other. So let's go ahead and clip over to that. Alright, so we've got a really sophisticated experiment set up, and yes, that was sarcasm, in case you couldn't tell. But we've got the Fly Puck here, we'll set it down, and our HockeyShot Extreme Dryland puck right here. And what I'm going to do is just put my hand on both of them and push them both at the same time, and you'll be able to see which one goes furthest, and obviously the further it goes, the less friction it is, the better it's going to slide for you on your flooring tiles. So let's just go ahead, and like I said, I'll use the same hand, same push, and we'll be able to see how these react together. Okay, so as you can see, the Extreme Dryland puck went about 2 or 3 feet further than the Fly Puck. So that's how it compares to the Fly Puck. Let's go ahead and do the same thing now with the Green Biscuit. Got the Green Biscuit Pro here. Green Biscuit is it's made of a slightly different plastic, so it ends up sliding really well. My guess is the Green Biscuit will be a little more comparable to the Extreme Dryland puck. So let's go ahead and show you what it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, they're pretty close. The Extreme Dryland puck is slightly ahead. We're talking like 2 or 3 inches further, and they both slid well. So as you can see, the sliding capabilities of the Extreme Dryland puck and the Green Biscuit are pretty similar, within a couple inches of each other. Where I would recommend, I'd still recommend using this one, the Extreme Dryland puck, on the synthetic tiles, shooting pad, Dryland flooring tiles, stuff like that. Whereas the Green Biscuit will probably stay a little flatter for you on concrete surfaces, pavement, stuff like that. The one difference between these two is that the Dryland puck, the Extreme Dryland puck, is shootable. So that may be a difference when you're comparing the two, but yeah, the slide factor is pretty similar. This is going to be phenomenal on any of your flooring products, and it's shootable as well. Whereas this is going to really be good, off the ice on concrete, parking lots, stuff like that. So that's kind of how the experiment panned out. Let's go ahead and show you a few clips of what this looks like in action, and you can kind of see it for yourself. go. And that's your HockeyShot Extreme Dryland puck. Definitely a great product. Definitely one I recommend if you're going to be using it on synthetic ice, dryland flooring, tiles, roll-up shooting pad, or any other type of shooting pad. Synthetic flooring is where this puck really shines. It stays flat. It's nice off your stick. Easy to do. Stick handling, passing, saucer passing, and you can shoot with it. You can pick these up at HockeyShot.com, and make sure you visit us at WeissTechHockey.com for your coupon code so you can save some money off your order. Yep, go ahead. That was good. Good.